Hello everyone, and welcome to the Nova Armada channel, to my loyal subscribers and my future subscribers. Today's aircraft is the Qantas Airbus A38-841 in Qantas's 2015 livery and named after famed aviator Charles Ulm. This aircraft is powered by 4 Rolls Royce Trent 900 series high bypass turbofans, with each engine able to generate up to 78,000 pounds force or 348 kilonewtons at full power. The exit limit for this aircraft is 853 people. But in a normal 3-class layout, this aircraft can nominally carry 575 people. This aircraft has a standard cruise speed of 488 knots or 903 kilometers an hour, with a range of around 8,000 nautical miles or 14,800 kilometers, with a standard load on board. This A380 was first acquired by Qantas on December 16th of 2010. The initial livery was the 2006 based new Kangaroo livery. The first and current registration of this aircraft is Victor Hotel-Oscar Quebec Golf. The aircraft was a mainstay aircraft for Qantas, flying passengers all around the Pacific Basin for an uninterrupted decade. In 2016, this aircraft got the most recent updated livery that basically added a silver lining to the Kangaroo tail art. However, when the pandemic struck in the early 2020s, this aircraft was placed into storage at Victorville for nearly 2 years. At points, this aircraft and her A380 siblings' future looked in doubt for future Qantas service. However, in the middle of 2022, the passenger loads on aircraft had risen sufficiently for this aircraft and many other A380s across the airline industries to be placed back into service. As of the middle of 2023, this aircraft continues flying for Qantas all over the world. What you are seeing now is a video showing the 1/400 scale Gemini Jets version of this aircraft, released in 2018. Our sources have this as one of 2 production runs for this aircraft, with a 1/400 version being produced by Phoenix Models in 2021. This channel survives with you, the viewer, and your ongoing support. The more you like my videos helps me get more views, and more views brings in more subscribers. This in turn generates a wider distribution around YouTube, which repeats the process. If you like what you've seen, hit those like buttons and spread the word. We've enjoyed making this video, and we hope you've had fun watching it. Thank you, and good day.